Hello my dear students and viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Educational Videos at Sabir Pasha JS. My dear students, in this video, let's continue the class 10th mathematics chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. In our previous videos, we have solved few problems regarding this chapter. Now further we will continue in this video. Okay, dear students, in our previous video, we have solved these all problems, okay, in exercise 3.1. Now we will move on to the next third question in exercise 3.1 on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, and before solving these problems, you need to remember the table. So once again, you just have a look towards this table. In our previous video, in detail we have discussed. So I hope you know very well. In your classes also you have learnt regarding this. Now we will move on to the third question. Okay, dear students, here these are the pair of linear equations, two equations they have given in the question. We have to prove the solution, whether it is consistent lines or inconsistent solution. Okay, now let's move on to how to solve this one. Now solution of this one ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So we have to take the values of a1. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, isn't it? Now a1, which one? The first linear equation, x coefficient is a. Okay, a value is 3. Okay, and a2 value is here 2 is equal to b1 value is plus 2. Okay, now b2 value is minus 3 is equal to c value is 5, and now divided by c2 value is 7, minus also you can be. Now here these two, see 3 by 2, 2 by minus 3, these two are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then what it will come? So here we have to write the conclusion. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Now you just imagine the table. See here, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then what kind of lines these are? These are intersecting lines. Here we have to write type of lines, intersecting lines. How many solutions they possess? One solution. Okay, consistent. Now let's rewrite these three also. Here in conclusion we have to write, okay, intersecting. These are intersecting lines. Okay, and now thereafter solution also you write. In question they have not asked, but even though you write intersecting lines always possess one solution. Okay, therefore they are consistent. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay, now let's move on to the second question in this only. See here, the second question is 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Okay, this one you do yourself as it is method. Now we will move on to one more. We will solve the third one. Here fractional way they have given the equation. This we will try to solve, dear students. Okay, so I have copied the question. See two linear equations. E equation fractional form alide. So many students get confused how to solve this one. You pay attention. As usual, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 format you write. Now a1 value is x coefficient 3 by 2 whole divided by a2 means 9 is equal to b1 means 5 by 3 whole divided by b2 means y coefficient in second equation, that is minus 10 is equal to c1 is 7 divided by 14. Now here we can bring into simplest form. 7 ones are 7 twos. Okay, now here you pay attention, dear students. This is numerator. In numerator fractional form is there. In denominator number is there. If it is so, this 9 can be multiplied to numerator's numerator. Okay, 9 3 is 18 divided by 2. I hope you have understood. Is equal to, now here also the same, minus 10 into 5, minus 10 into 5. Denominators can be multiplied to numerator's numerator. Okay, 10 5s are 50 minus 50 divided by 3. Okay, is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we can bring into simplest form. 2 1s are 2 9s. Okay, now here it is not possible. So 9 by 1 is equal to minus 50 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, which is not equal. Okay, this is also not equal, this is also not equal. And here condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the lines are already, I have shown the table. A table al nodre, then it come to know it is intersecting, same intersecting lines. How many intersecting lines are having solution? Only one solution, or it may unique solution. Okay, therefore they are consistent. Okay, they are consistent. Okay, now so I hope you have learned this one also. Now we will move on to further. See in this exercise, in third question, even this problem also you can do yourself. This problem also you can do yourself as it is method. If you get any doubts, so then just you comment, then I will try to solve. Now let's move on to the next one. See here, this fourth question is we have to solve graphically. This one only I will make one special video. So how to put the graph, 4 marks one question will come here. ಇದರದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. So now we will move on to the fifth question here. So you will get separate video of this graph, how to solve the graph, how to find the values of x and y, and thereafter how to plot the graph. That one video I will make and upload in my YouTube channel. Now we will move on to the fifth question. You see the fifth question here. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Length is 4 meter and its width is more than its width. So length is 4, that is more than the width. Okay, is 36. It means perimeter is 36. Find the dimensions of the garden. Okay, let me show you with the representation. Okay, dear student, in that question, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Garden is in rectangular shape. Okay, and this is length, we know very well. This is length, and now this is we considered as width, or it may breadth. And here in question they have given its perimeter is 36. Perimeter. Okay, p by 2 is equal to 36. This you have learnt in your 9th standard. And now what else it has given, whose length is 4 meter more than the width. Length is has given 4 meter. Okay, more than the width ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ as a x and width as a y. Okay, let me write this one. Let length L is equal to x and width, let me call it as d, okay, is equal to y. Okay, now let's move on to one more. Perimeter p by 2 is equal to 36. They have given in the question, right? Semi perimeter, like all you have learnt in 9th standard, right? Now just you try to recall that one. Now here rectangular shape, we are having perimeter formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times of length into breadth. This is we need to know. P is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is plus. Got it? Now let's substitute this one in this. Now in place of perimeter, e value na hakana 2 into length plus breadth divided by 2 is equal to 36. Now by removing this L and B, we will put this variables. 2 into x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 36. And now these two get cancelled. Now what we will get, x plus y is equal to 36. Now call it equation number 1. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು pair of linear equation ಒಂದು ಬಂತು, isn't it? And now one more equation. For one more equation, our ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು, length is 4 meter. Length is 4 meter more than its width. Okay, now this sentence let's we express in equation. Length ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so we know x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು 4 plus more than its width ಅಂದ್ರೆ y. x is equal to 4 plus y, isn't it? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ linear form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. x, this y we will take this side, minus y is equal to 4. Now call it equation number 2. Call it equation number 2. Once again you just rewind the video and observe it up to here. Now we will move on to further. Now we got 2 equations, right? Now we will try to solve it. First equation ours is x plus y is equal to 36, and one more equation is x minus y. X minus y is equal to 4. Okay, now plus x minus y get cancelled. Now x plus x, we will add this one. 2x is equal to 36 plus 4 is 40. Now what else will come? X is equal to 40. This 2 comes to denominator. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So finally x value we got, x is equal to 20, isn't it? Now let's substitute this x is equal to 20 in any one equation. Substitute x is equal to 20 in any one equation. So in which equation we will substitute in equation 1 only we will try to substitute. Okay, so what is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 36. Now x value how much? 20 plus y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 and now minus 20. Y is equal to 16. Okay, x value and y value we have got. Now let's write the conclusion. 1. Therefore length we have taken x is equal to 20, and now unit in question they have given the values in terms of meter. And now one more, width y is equal to 16 meter. This is the answer. These two are the dimension values. Okay, so once again you rewind and practice this question. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, dear students, now we will move on to the next one, this one, sixth one. Given that linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. ಒಂದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು pair of ಇನ್ನೊಂದು linear equation ಬರೆದು ನಾವು intersecting lines ಆಗೋ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and thereafter parallel lines and thereafter coincident lines. Observe the question once again. Now let's read the answer for it. Now the first one, this is the question number 6. Now in the intersecting lines. Okay, we know very well intersecting lines means what is the condition? Condition you write a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, isn't it? Now one equation they have given in the problem, so that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This they have given in the problem. Now one more we have to choose. See, a1 2. Now equal ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so we can choose any number. Now let me write 3x. Okay, and now here b1 is 3 is there. Now let me choose any other number, 4y. Okay, 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. See, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now the condition approved. So second equation we have found. Now such like only we will move to second one here. Second one, what? Parallel lines. Okay, what is the condition for parallel lines? We know very well a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. These are the parallel lines. Now first equation as it is you write, which has given in the problem, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This they have given. Now one more we have to choose, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and c1 by c2 should not be equal. Now I have written here 2x. Now let me write here 4x, double it. Now plus here 6y is there, 3y is there. Now I will write 6y minus, and here c1 should not be equal to c2. Minus 8 is there, any apart from 8 you choose any number. Let me choose 3. Okay, is equal to 0. Now you see a1 by a2, 2 by 4 is equal to, now what it comes here if we do, see 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to minus 8 by minus 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So finally what else it comes, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, and that is not equal to 8 by 3. Minus if we cancel, then see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So I hope you may. Now let's move on to the next third one. That is nothing but coincident line. Okay, coincident lines. Okay, coincident lines condition is what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All should be equal. Now what else they have given? One equation in the problem, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, it is given. Okay, as it is, one more you write, then it will be equal, right? 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. If not means make double. All you make double, so then also it comes equal only. So here we can write 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. That like also we can be. See here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1 it comes. So this is the answer for the sixth question. Now let's move on to the next one, seventh question. This is also a graph. We will try to finish up this exercise in this video. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Pair of linear equations ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So it forms a triangular shape. Okay, triangle shape ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ. So intersecting lines ಆಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ. So ಇದರ coordinates ಅನ್ನ we have to find. Okay, let's try to do this one. Okay, dear students, see here two equations which has given in the problem. I have written like this. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, because it avoids all your confusion. There are many methods out there to solve the graphical problems, and without confusion we try to follow the as usual method. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ y ನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ y okay is equal to this x I will send that side. Now that will be minus x, and ಈ 1 ಕೂಡ is equal to ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Now ಈಗ y has a variable having minus sign. This sign you can shift it to this side. Now what it will happen, y is equal to minus, this minus we have shifted, and now this is as usual minus x minus 1. Okay, then y is equal to minus of minus plus, okay, x minus into minus plus 1. Okay, now this equation we have got. ಈಗ let's we put the values in order. Let's we put x is equal to 0. Then what happens, y is equal to 0 plus 1, then what it will come? 1. If x is 0, then y is 1. Now such like only x is equal to 1. Y is equal to, now what? 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. Now x is equal to 3. 5 values in the find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Then y is equal to, in x place you substitute this one, 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Y value is 4. Okay. Now x is equal to 4. Now then y is equal to, x means 4. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Okay. So one more we will find. X is equal to 5. Then y is equal to, so x means here 5. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Okay. Now we will write here these values all. We will put one table. Now these values we will try to put in this. Now this is x, y. X is 0. X is 0, then y value is 1. X is 1 means y value is 2. Y value here 3, 4, 3. Sorry, 2 we have skipped, no problem. Now we will write here x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, what it will come? 3. That also we can add. Okay. So 2 and this is 3. 3, 4, 4, 5. Even one more we can be 5, 6. These are the values. Now let's we find here also. Now 2y na alle itkoli. 2y is equal to, now 3x na aa kade kalisi minus 3x, and this minus 12 also you send that side. Then it will be plus 12. Now what it will come? 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Isn't it? ಈಗ ಈ 2 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Then it comes to denominator. Y value we have got. Let's we put x is equal to 0. Okay. Now y is equal to minus 3 into 0 plus 12 divided by 2. Minus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6. So final answer is 6. Now such like only x is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 3 into 1 plus 12 divided by 2. What it comes? Minus 3 plus 12 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 12 is nothing but 9 by 2. We can't simplify. Fractional form bandre. This one you no need to take. This one we will take. This one we no need to take. Now x is equal to 2. We can skip this one. If fractional answer comes means. In negative comes we have to take. If fraction comes means we no need to take. Y is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 12 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 12 divided by 2. 1 minus 1 plus ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then it will be 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So final answer is 3. If 2 means 3, 0 means 6. Now such like one more way will be x is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 3 comma 3 plus 12 divided by 2. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 plus 12 divided by 2. Then it will be minus 9 plus 12 is 3 by 2. Fraction came. So we no need to take this one. Now one more. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 3 comma 4 plus 12 divided by 2. Y is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 12 plus 12 divided by 2. Minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled. 0 by 2. 0 by any number is nothing but 0. Now finally this like table here also we will write now. The table ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. X, Y. See here what I am doing. Now we got here 0 comma 6. So x value 0, y value 6. 1 means 9 by 2. We no need to take. Okay. Now we will skip that one. Now 2, 3. 2, 3. Why not you take answer 1? Because here fractional answer came. So we no need to take 3 and 3 by 2. We no need to take this also. Now 4, 4 comma 0. Any two numbers you have got means that's more enough. Now we will put in the graph. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, isn't it? And now this is y. ಹಾಕೋಣ. You see value first 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. X axis 0, 0 comma 1. X axis 0, y axis 1, 0 comma 1. Okay. Second one is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Here x axis 1 and y axis 2. 1 comma 2 means scale you put. Okay. 1 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Here 2 is there and here 3 is there. So you have to use scale like this. 2 ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. So then clearly you have to mark. Got it? Such like only next one is 3 comma 4. Okay. 3 comma 4. Here exactly it comes. ನೀವು scale ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. And now see here join ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ so ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೆಂತ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಈ ತರ. ನಾವು 1 line we have got, isn't it? ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 0,6 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ 0,6 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ 0,6 ಹಿಯರ್ 5 ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ 0,6 ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ +6 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 2,3 2,3 ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4,0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದು ಬಂತು, ಶೇಪ್ ಬಂತು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ as A, B and C. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಅವರು ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಸೊ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ -1, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಸೊ 0, -1,0. ಓಕೆ ಬಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಹಿಯರ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3, 2,3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ 4. ಸಿ ಬಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ 4, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ vertices is -1,0, 2,3, 4,0. This is the answer for this question. Now the further graphical ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ upcoming videos you are going to get science running notes videos also. Okay, till that take care, bye.